Hello, it's me again. My name is Idrissa. In today's video, we are going to create Laravel project with a Laravel installer. This is going to be very quick videos and it's all for beginner. Okay, here is my terminal and I'm going to install Laravel installer global by copy the following command: composer and paste down here, composer global require Laravel/install, and press enter. Press enter. The software or the package will be installed on composer, and when it's done on my PC, I've already installed it. That's why there's no anything or there's no new thing installed on my PC, because I've already installed it. As you see, we are using version 4.5 for Laravel installer. As I currently record this video, this is the latest version of Laravel installer. Clear this one first. To create a project via Laravel installer, we run this command: Laravel new first day, and press enter. As you can see here on the right side, for you on the left side, the folder has already been created. First day. First, the last video we create with the composer, and this video we create with the Laravel installer. This is how you can create a Laravel project, either by composer or with the Laravel installer. And this is it for the today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe button, like it, or share with others who might find this useful, or your family and friend.